Top printers for home photo printing. Title: Top printers for home photo printing. Introduction. Printing high-quality photos at home has never been easier thanks to the availability of advanced printers designed specifically for photo printing. With so many options available in the market, too, choosing the right printer for your specific needs can be a daunting task. In this article, we will explore some of the top printers for home photo printing, taking into consideration factors such as NT quality, ease of use, affordability, and overall performance. 1. Canon PIXMA Pro 100. The Canon PIXMA Pro 100 is a favorite among photography enthusiasts due to its exceptional print quality and color accuracy. This printer uses an 8-color dye ink system, including 3 monochrome in KS, resulting in stunning, professional-grade prints. With a maximum resolution of 4800 by 2400 p, it delivers vibrant and highly detailed images. The PIXMA Pro 100 supports various paper sizes up to 13 by 19 inches, making it versatile for different printing needs. Additionally, its wireless capabilities and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for home users. 2. Epson Suracolor P800. The Epson Suracolor P800 is another top contender in the home photo printing category. Featuring Epson's Ultrachrome HD pigment ink, this printer delivers impressive color accuracy, rich blacks, and smooth gradations. With a maximum resolution of 2880 by 1440 p, it produces sharp and stunning prints up to 17 by 22 inches. The P800 also includes advanced media handling, allowing you to print on a wide range of papers, including fine art and canvas. Its 9-color ink set ensures accurate color reproduction, making it a popular choice among photographers and artists alike. 3. HP NB-Photo 7155. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option without compromising on quality, the HP NB-Photo 7155 is a great choice. With its affordable price tag and excellent performance, this printer caters to both casual photographers and families looking to preserve memories. The NB-Photo 7155 delivers vivid and true-to-life prints with a maximum resolution of 4800 by 1200 p. It also offers convenient wireless printing options and compatibility with various mobile devices. Moreover, its compact design and intuitive touchscreen make it a user-friendly option for home use. 4. Canon Selfie CP1300. For users who prefer a compact and portable printer, the Canon Selfie CP1300 is an ideal choice. This small but powerful printer specializes in 4 by 6 inch photo prints and offers convenience on the go. With the inclusion of Wi-Fi, AirPrint, and memory card slots, you can easily print directly from your smartphone, tablet, or camera. The Selfie CP1300 utilizes dye sublimation technology, resulting in lab-quality photos that are both vibrant and durable. Its optional battery pack makes it truly portable, allowing you to print anywhere, anytime. 5. Epson Expression Photo XP8600. The Epson Expression Photo XP8600 is a versatile printer perfect for the home user looking for both photo printing and general document printing capabilities. This compact all-in-one printer delivers As high-quality prints with a maximum resolution of 5760 by 1440p. It features a 6-color Claria Photo HD ink set, which produces stunning prints with smooth gradations and detail. The XP 8600 offers various connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Ethernet, making it convenient for both wireless and wired printing needs. Its easy-to-use touchscreen interface and memory card slots further enhance. Say its user-friendliness. This color laser printer boasts a maximum resolution of 2400 by 600p, ensuring sharp and vibrant images. It features a high paper capacity, accommodating up to 250 sheets, and supports automatic do. Plex printing, saving you time and money on paper. With wireless connectivity options and a user-friendly interface, the HLL8360 CDW provides convenience for both small businesses and home users. 7. Epson EcoTank at 7750. For those who print photos frequently and are concerned about the cost of ink cartridges, the Epson EcoTank at 7750 offers a cost-effective solution. This all-in-one printer features refillable ink tanks, eliminating the need for traditional ink cartridges and reducing printing costs. With a maximum resolution of 5760 by 1440p, it produces high-quality prints with vibrant colors and sharp data. ILS. The ET 7750 supports various paper sizes up to 11 by 17 inches, making it versatile for different photo printing needs. Its wireless capabilities and intuitive touchscreen make it a convenient choice. Say for home photo printing. 8. HP NB Photo 7855. The HP NB Photo 7855 is another great option for home photo printing, offering excellent print quality and a range of convenient features. With a maximum resolution of 4800 by 1200p, it produces stunning, true-to-life prints. The NB Photo 7855 incorporates HP's Instant Ink subscription service, which automatically sends new ink cartridges to your doorstep when you're running low, ensuring you never run out of ink. It also supports wireless printing, allowing you to seamlessly print from your smartphone.